how to start page number 1 from this page number 4, and how to prepare table of content in Microsoft Word. I show you here in this video. First of all, I go to back, scroll and go to next page, double click in this header area, and then you will see here header and footer sections, and remove the tick mark of this different first page. You should remove this different odd and even page and different first page tick mark, and then close this header option. Go to your topic page. Yes, about computer. It's page number 4. I want to show this topic in table of contents, so select it. Go to home menu and in style group click heading 1. Keep in mind, don't make heading 2, 3, 4 because these are sub heading. I have a next heading, page number 6, importance of computer. Select it and again make heading 1. Put a cursor where you would like to insert table of content, and then go to reference menu, click down arrow of table of content options. You will see here 3 table of content style. These two are automatic and this last one is manually. I want to apply this table of content now, so I click here. Yes, done. Yeah, I have 2 topics. I want to move this topic in next page. You can do page break. For that, go to insert menu and click page break. Press keyboards Control and Enter directly. My topic has reached in page number 5. I want to insert here page number 1 in heading area. So put the cursor in front of topics and go to layout. Click down arrow of break and choose continuous break. Yes, done. Then go to insert menu. Go to page number down arrow. Choose your suitable page styles. Now I want to insert this type of design, so I click here. This page number 5, I want to make page number 1. So click link to previous options, which is under this header and footer groups. Yes, click here. Then go to little up, select the page, press delete key of your keyboards. Again go to my topic page. My topic has a start from this page number 5. I want to make it page number 1. So select it, go to header and footer sections of the header and footer tab. Click this down arrow of this page number and click format page number. Click here, start at, insert your starting number. Now I'm going to start page number 1. So I type here page number 1 and then click OK. Yes, it has changed. Close header and footer options, or double click in your document area and then go to table of content area. Click this table of content, then click put the radio bullet in update entire table options and then click OK. My page number has been changed. You can put number here. I select it and go to home menu and then number. In this way, we can insert page number at a specific phase of a document and manage table of content in Microsoft Word. Thank you.